Okay, so the first two verbs are similar to each other. So we have tugbong and lugsong. Tugbong is to bring things down to town from far away, whether you're in the countryside or the mountainside, and you have goods and items and stuff like that that you want to bring to the cities or the coastal areas, right? You're going down from the mountain to the coast to sell your things. Tugbong is the word we have, so to bring things from far away into town or to sell them and stuff. But you're also hiking out. You can also use this to travel in terms of travel, where you're traveling from the mountainside to the coastal side or the city side, right? And lugsong is to go downhill pretty much. You're going back downhill to town. So this can relate to like people who live in mountainous areas or hilly areas, the hill tribes, the mountain tribes, and then they're gonna go take a visit to the lower lands or the town, right? Pretty much like that stuff, right? And they're bringing their goods with them. They're bringing people and family, and they're just going down for a hike. Right? Tugbong lugsong, similar, very similar verbs. Okay. Tungao are like the little kind of red mites, or like these little kind of bugs and mites that bury in your skin, and they cause a lot of itchiness, right? Kind of like scabies, but not really. But yeah, they're really small, right? They're very similar to scabies, but they're mites, and they're itchy. So pataka is a pretender, someone who pretends to know how things are done, yet they don't know, and they're lying and stuff like that. Oh, they're just joking around and they're lying, and they think they know it all, but they're not, you know. So taka lang ka diha, right? Bakak is a lie, or something that's false, something that's a lie or false, right? And then we get bakakon, which is a liar, from the root word bakak, meaning to be false or to lie. Declaración is an allegation, a declaration, a statement, something that you're saying, right? Or something that you're stating. Declaración. Malas malas, or gimalas malas, so the root word is malas, meaning to have bad luck or just misfortune that's surrounding you, right? Just anything that's like malas, ooh, that's bad, like bad juju, a bad omen, bad luck, misfortune, discord, right? Malas, just something that's like not in your favor. It's not working out in your favor. Tampo is as you can use it to mean something that you're joining or combining something together, whether it's laundry, whether you're having a get together with people, you know, whether these people are going to contribute and collaborate, you know, they're going to have a potluck at a party. Tampo sila, tampo ta, you know, like you're going to have a collaboration in music, you know, or you're going to collaborate to have a get together and celebrate. Tampo is that word. Panamay, tamay, right? So tamay is the root word. Yeah, panamay, tamay is like looking down on somebody, looking down on something, looking down on ideas. Like it's discouraged, to discourage something, right? You're talking bad about it. You're scorning somebody. You're talking behind their back because it's bad. You're looking down on it because it's not accepted. Maybe in different cultures it's not accepted in society. Something that's just looked down upon and talked bad about and not accepted. This one, haska, right? Haska. And haska is like an expression of surprise and an expression of very much. It's like, oftentimes you'll have this haska with this nga, because you're going to combine this with an expression. Haskang lamia, right? Haskang lamia. Oh, how delicious. Oh, good Lord, how delicious that was. Very, very yummy, right? It can also be used to describe like surprise, expressions of surprise, which is like, good Lord, good God, oh shit, damn, what the, you know, it's kind of like, damn, how, you know, wow, you know, it's kind of like, whoa, like you're expressing yourself of surprise and you didn't know, and it's usually like very much, right? Sometimes it can be a bad thing, but normally I see it as like, oh wow, like very, something that's very intense and very, ooh, wow, shocking and surprising. Tulabong is a talabong, just another dialectal difference. Okay, bugol is bukol, remember. Bunog is a bruise. And finally, we have kinto, which means to tiptoe or to walk on your tiptoes, right? Kinto, pag kinto, to be tiptoeing around.